Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today we have a spring inspired makeup tutorial, very like what I think is going to be trending in spring 2024. Pop of colour, pop of pastel, of course. If you're excited for spring, then let me know in the comments down below, and keeping it short and sweet, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing. That would mean a lot. And if you do enjoy this makeup tutorial and you want to see more, then please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see what I put on my face and my spring inspired makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so today we are doing a spring makeup look and I'm super excited because spring is officially here. It was nice and sunny yesterday, but today it's not so sunny. I'm uploading this on Thursday the 14th, I think, because it's a tutorial Thursday. I wanted to do a spring inspired makeup tutorial because I am super excited for spring, summer, the heat, the sun, the nice walks. I can't wait. We're going to be doing a easy, quick tutorial. It is going to be like the shimmery, what I think is going to be trending this spring, especially these headbands. I absolutely love them. Giving me very 90s vibes, and I think that's exactly what spring 2024 is going to give this year. I've got my pastel colours on. So I'm just going to go in and prime my eyelids with just a random concealer. So yeah, like I said, I'm not going to be using this on my face because I want more of a fuller coverage on my eyes. But I'm going in with my eyes first because we're going to be using some shimmers. My hair is wild today, but what I'm going to do is take the powder bronzer that I'm going to take on my face and just go in the crease with this, just to add some colour and some warmth. So now, of course, I'm going to take some Drip Drip. That is literally all I'm going to do for my eyes. I am going to go back in with some of that concealer though and bring that brightness back in. And now I'm going to go in with Drip Drip. I'm going to take this on the back of something. I don't want it too heavy. I want it to be there. Do you know what I mean? Just taking a big fluffy brush, dabbing in. I'm going to take it all over pretty much. I'm going to take it quite high as well, up to my crease and over here. I want it to be popping. That looks so good. I am obsessed. Drip Drip just looks insane. I absolutely love it. And then now I'm going to take a pigment from Peaches and Cream in the shade Fantasy. This has got like lilac-y specks in it. Probably not going to see until I've got it on my eyes. But obviously because I want to tie in my top and I want to tie in like a little bit of pastels, just taking a little bit of that on my brush. Oh, you can see how stunning that looks. Okay, wow. That is exactly what I was looking for. That is absolutely stunning. It's coming together, guys. It's coming together. That is literally going to be it. I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm going to apply a shit ton of mascara. I'm going to go in with the YSL Lash Clash mascara in black. I've been using lash serum for the past like 3 weeks now, and my eyelashes have grown so much. We'll see if I want to put eyelashes on with this, but I think I'm not going to. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with the Pink Honey cocoa powder quickly, and I'll be right back. Okay, so moving on to face. Essential for spring, summer, well, all year round to be honest, is SPF. This is the Garnier Vitamin C Daily UV Glow SPF 50. I have been obsessed with this. I really want to get the invisible one as well, but this is just so good. And if you're not using an SPF, then I advise you do, because everyone should be using SPF. This one just gives a really nice tint to the skin, a nice glow, which I personally really love. I think this would be stunning on holiday. It's like it's not like the thinnest consistency that I've used, but it's got really nice hydrating benefits. So then for my skin, I want really glass-like skin, so I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter all over my skin. Just a little bit of that to act as like a primer, sort of skin illuminator. And then for foundation, again, I want something nice and glowy, but a little bit of coverage. Yes. Oh, I need to add my colour corrector. This is the Bobbi Brown corrector in Peach. I just like this to just lightly colour correct. I've been obsessed with colour correctors at the moment. And now I'm going in with the foundation. This is in the shade 7 Neutral, and it's the Beautiful Skin foundation. I haven't used this foundation in so long and I forgot how beautiful it is. Excuse the pun. But it is such a gorgeous shade. And then I'm going to go in with a cream bronzer. This is the Huda Beauty Tantor in the shade Fair. Just looks like this. Okay, that was a lot. I always forget how good products are until I try them again, because that is absolutely beautiful. Definitely peachy blush is going to be in this spring, so I'm going to go in with the Be Perfect The Cheek Liquid Blush in the shade Just Peachy. I way prefer the old packaging, I'm not going to lie. I don't like that it's a pump now, but it is what it is. Just applied it with my fingers and then just blended it out with my brush on my nose. Then for concealer, I haven't again taken this for ages. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 05. This might be a little bit too bright, but we will see. I just want something very natural, very lightweight under my eyes. Up here. Gonna let that sit for a minute. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that. I'm just blending that out with a brush. I went in with more of a lighter shade. It's gonna really brighten my face, which I love. Then for powder, I'm gonna take again a lightweight powder, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish powder. This one's in the shade 1 because it's nice and brightening. Look at that. Beautiful. Then for powder bronzer, I'm going to take the Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Pressed Powder Bronzer in the shade Barley Bronze. Just going to change my battery. Oh great, this battery's not fully charged. Next I'm going to go in with blush. This is the Clinique Peach Pop blush. This is absolutely stunning. This is one of my favourite blushes. I absolutely love it, and I thought this would be perfect for this makeup. Absolutely stunning. I love that blush so much. Beautiful. Now at this stage I'm going to use some setting spray. This is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Mist. Whew, I love this setting spray, but I just hate the smell. This is going to add all the glow back into my skin, like, you know, the freshness. As my skin's a little bit wet, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Liquid Highlighter in the shade Hair Pleasures. Again, I'm going to put a little tiny bit of this on the back of my palette there. Dab it in my sponge. Okay, wow. Wowee. That looks absolutely stunning. What I might do, I feel like my eyes need a little bit of something, so I'm going to take a little bit of the Made by Mitchell eyeliner, line my waterline at the top. This is in the shade Black Track, is just the black shade. I don't think I want to do anything to the lower lashes, so I'm going to get my brush. And then lastly for lips, I'm going to go in with the MAC Cork. Is it? Yeah. This needs a sharpen. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Made by Mitchell Teach 'em Peach Liquid Blush. Okay, so that is my spring inspired makeup tutorial, but I absolutely love that the peachy lip goes with the peachy blush, the cheeks, and then you've just got a little pop of colour on the lids, which I absolutely love. I love the colour lilac, as you can probably tell, and my background and everything. It's my favourite colour. If you want to see more videos like this from me, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you did enjoy this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you did enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see more of like an affordable spring look, because I really love doing affordable, like budget friendly makeup looks or like makeup recommendations. So let me know if you want to see that. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!